how roots get inside the drain. I would just explain in California, San Diego, I don't know all around America how people do the storm drain, if same way or different way. It's just here local, what I know and what I see. I don't have landscaping license, I'm a plumber license. But here I have dealt a lot with this one and people would have problem, and sometimes because drain installed incorrect and you cannot unclear it and water doesn't go, it costs thousands of dollars. Even your backyard, when you spend like 50, 100,000 to nice pool area, concrete and everything, and storm drain stopped working and flooded the house and water going in the house sometimes, it's a nightmare because someone did something wrong over here. First, I will recommend to check all your drains. If you look at it and see it's something bad and low, you can find this is green cap. And roots growing in, it can be one tiny roots growing over here or growing through here inside, because many times they cover with the dirt like this and just a little bit gap over here and it's fine, but roots start growing in and this one little tiny roots can make inside 15-20 feet completely clogged pipe. Just little roots from over here. Second, I don't have answer why, but most of them, not all of them, but like 90-95% drain, what I see and have deal with, they use 20 mil tape. 20 mil tape plumber used for underground to tape it and rub the pipe to protect the corrosion for the gas line. But they use this 20 mil tape and cover it like this, and this is how they make connection and join. And you can do this is good, nice and clean connection, and maybe it's will gonna be working 3, 5, 7 years. When you have it's on the hand, when it's in a trench, all dirt around, you use this is 20 mil tape. When even they stock everything wherever it is, it's not even like tape, it's lower. And roots start growing from here inside, because water stay in here. You don't have to have level for a storm drain like water. Water can be stay inside the pipe and it's not a problem, it don't should be problem. But because they connected with a 20 mil tape and here it's tying good because I'm able to keep on my hand, but can you imagine it's on a trench and you have taped all this joint. Okay, what I do if it's in a trench and I have taped it, I'm just cut approximately size, what I see it should be good. Then I take a tape and it's dirt, it's a trench. And I'm somehow move a little bit pipe, some careful try to get under, just go, you see, even on the table I cannot go because they sticky, they start, but okay, somehow I go and I tape it and like good, I'm done. This is good connection, good tape it? No, of course. It's never can be taped good in a trench. And this is most of the problem people have because this connection is wrong and the roots growing inside 100% no matter what. I don't know landscaping code. I'm not a landscaper, I'm a plumber. I see the houses, few of them on my history, they have a glued and it's no drain, no roots is all inside. It's no roots is all. Why you don't put just even a little bit glue it together, just leave it wherever you need, and never ever roots growing from here inside the storm drain.